Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make these beautiful crochet sandals. So for this insole and outsole, if you want me to make a tutorial on it, please say yes in the comment section and I will do it. So to begin, you're going to put the two legs of the shoe together, the one you've done and the one you have not done, and take measurement. Then you put your stitch marker on both sides. So we're going to connect from here to this side. You tie your slip knot, insert your crochet hook and pull through. Then you make one chain to secure it. So I'm going to make 30 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to make up to 30 chains and we'll connect it to this side. So you remove the stitch marker and connect your chains to this side. So under these 30 chains we've made, we are going to make 33 single crochet. Repeat the same to the end here. At the end you attach it 2 times to the side. Turn and start making a new single crochet row, starting from the second loop. Continue the same to the end here. At the end, attach it here. So you're going to turn and start another row. That's the second row of the single crochet again. So you're going to keep repeating it to the end here. At the end, you attach it in 2 places, just like the first row. That you keep repeating the same thing. When you come to the end, always attach in 2 places. So you skip the first loop and insert in the second loop to start another row of the single crochet. So you are going to repeat the same thing to the end. You skip the first loop and start another row of single crochet from the second loop. Repeat the same thing to the end. So at the end you attach it again in 2 places. So you are going to keep repeating the same thing. You can see on this leg of the shoe we have up to 8 rows. On this leg of the shoe we have 8 rows. We have 8 rows here. So you are going to repeat. This is the 4th row. So you are going to make up to 8 rows on this leg just as it is here. So I'm going to meet you after the 8 rows. So this is the 8 rows. I've just completed it. We have 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I've just concluded the 8th row and you attach it to the side. After attaching it, slip stitch in 3 places. In the 4th place, make chain 1, then make 5 more chains. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and in the 3rd place, you insert your crochet hook and attach. Make another 5 chains. Count 1, 2, in the 3rd place, insert and attach the 5 chains. Make another 5 chains again. Count 1, 2, 3, in the 3rd place, insert and attach. Make 5 more chains again. Count 1, 2, 3, in the 3rd place, you insert and attach. Make 5 more chains. And repeat the same to the end. So at the end, count 1, 2, 3, in the 4th place, you insert and attach. Then you turn and make 5 single crochet in the chain 5 space. In the next chain 5 space, make 5 single crochet. So you are going to repeat making 5 single crochet in all the chain 5 spaces to the end. At the end, you attach. and slip stitch in the next 3 spaces. While in the 4th space, you're going to make chain 1, make chain 1, then make 5 more chains. So you count 1, 2, 3. In the 3rd place, you are going to insert and attach the chains. Then make 5 more chains again. Under the next 5 single crochet, count 1, 2, 3. In the 3rd place, you insert and attach the 5 chains. Make another 5 chains again. Count 1, 2, 3. In the 3rd place, insert and attach the 5 chains. Make 5 chains again. Count and insert. So you are going to attach, continue making the same thing to the end. So at the end, count 1, 2, 3. In the 4th place, insert your crochet hook and attach. So you turn in the chain 5 space, start making 5 single crochet. So guys, if you are getting any value from this tutorial, please kindly give me a thumbs up because it helps with the algorithm. And if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs and some interesting beadwork. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much to all of you, my returning subscribers. God bless you. So we're going to keep repeating 5 single crochet in this chain 5 spaces to the end here. So at the end, you are going to slip stitch in 3 places, and in the 4th place, make chain 1, make 5 chains, then you turn and attach, count 1, 2, 3, attach, make 5 chains, count 1, 2, 3, attach, make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, attach, and you repeat the same to the end. So you can see on this leg of the shoe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows of the mash. So you are going to keep repeating. I will meet you at the end of the 7th row. So I've done 7 rows just as it is on this leg of the shoe. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will start making these rows of the single crochet again. But in the 1st row, there's something we're going to do. We are going to make reduction. So you attach and turn. We're going to start single crochet. This is the first 5 single crochet, as you can see. So see, you are going to make the 5 single crochet, do single crochet in the first 5 loops. So the reduction is going to take effect from this first loop in the second chain 5 space. So you are going to skip that and insert in the next. So you make your single crochet in the remaining loops. In the first loop of the next chain 5 space, skip it and make single crochet in the remaining loops. The first loop of the next chain 5 space, skip it, then insert your crochet and make single crochet in the remaining. You keep repeating the same to the end here. So at the end you attach, make chain 1, turn and start making another row of the single crochet. So you repeat. We are going to have 2, 4, 6, 8 rows again of the single crochet on this leg of the shoe, just like the other one. So you repeat it. I'll meet you at the end of the 8th row, and this is the 8th row. I've just finished it. You can see 2, 4, 6 and 8, and we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. So it is complete, and we are going to attach it to the side. So you cut and remove your crochet hook and hide the excess thread. So guys, at the end, this is how beautiful the slippers look. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and God bless you.